was to, when I become a rock star and I write my own music, I create rock band charts for it and play it in the background, and my band will just be playing the plastic instruments. It'll be my music. It'll be my music. But we'll
right, so if they screw up though, it sounds like...
yeah, exactly.
Okay. That's
Full
cool.
band, perfect.
I would go to that concert.
Awesome.
Here's your song for all the ladies.
For the ladies. I'm pointing at August. Sorry, Doug.
Oh yeah, August.
I know you showed up late, but it's...
I live with him.
No! I feel so confined. And like whenever I want to talk, I have to like lean forward, so I can do this weird thing here.
Dimitri could move the mic for you, probably.
Looking around the room, I can tell that you are the most beautiful girl in the room. In the whole wide room. And when you're on the street, depending on the street, I bet you are definitely in the top 3 good-looking girls on the street. Depending on the street. When I saw you at my mate's place, I thought, what is she doing at my mate's place? How did Dave get a hottie like that to a party like this? Good one, Dave. Oh, you're a legend, Dave. I asked Dave if he's gonna make a move on you. He's not sure. I said, Dave, do you mind if I do? He says he doesn't mind, but I can tell he kind of minds. But I'm gonna do it anyway. I see you standing all alone by the stereo. I dim the lights down very low. Here we go. You're so beautiful. Hey, you could be a waitress. You're so beautiful. Hey, you could be an air hostess in the 60s. You're so beautiful. You could be a part-time model. And then I seal the deal. I do my moves, I do my dance moves. It's 12:02, just me and you, and 7 other dudes around you on the dance floor. I draw you near, let's get out of here. Let's get a cab, I'll buy you a kebab. And I can't believe that I'm sharing a kebab with the most beautiful girl I have ever seen with a kebab. Why don't we leave? Let's go to my house. We can feel each other up on the couch. Oh no, I don't mind taking it slow. Oh no, yeah. 'Cause you're so beautiful, like a tree or a high-class prostitute. You're so. You could be a part-time model, but you probably still have to keep your normal job. Part-time model. Spending part of your time modeling and part of your time next to me. Next to me. And the rest of your time you're doing your normal job.
August? Oh, hi, Dimitri. What's up? How's it going?